What did you do again?
To sleep in the tree, the big one. I see her, the big queen, sleeping in the big tree.
She was sleeping in the big tree?
Yeah.
Oh, what happened to the horsey?
This. Look at her head and put this. Like a nose. I just put him like a nose. I just put him like a nose.
That's funny.
Yeah.
What's happening now?
The monkeys are the gardens, and the monkeys are all the gardens, and me are gardens. And mommy, I want to. You keep your camera down.
You don't want me to film anymore?
Yeah.
Want me to put it down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone brought me the job. Someone brought me the big bicycle. You put it down.
Sorry.
Don't leave it up. It's making me asleep. It's a tongue.
It is a tongue. What did we do today?
I need this.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, don't keep it far away. It's umbrella. This is the umbrella.
Palapa.
Palata.
Yeah.
Yeah, so chairs.
Yeah.
So color the trees so our don't get. This is the big one.
Yes, it protects us from the sun.
Oh. Daddy, this hiding from us.
Yes.
And on our side, they show us our backyard.
Yes.
Yeah, and him does say.
What's that mean?
I say.
Okay. Should we keep playing?
Yeah.
Okay.